Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! You don't know who that is? Happy New Year!
Hello, my wonderful English guru family. The year is coming to an end, and what better way to celebrate than by sharing some heartfelt wishes and a quick English tip to kick off your new year on the right note. As the clock ticks closer to midnight, it's time to let go of the past, cherish the lessons we've learned, and welcome 2025 with open hearts and open minds. Here's my special wish for you: may your year be filled with laughter, your days with purpose, and your heart with gratitude. Let's make 2025 a year to remember. When wishing someone on New Year's Eve, instead of just saying Happy New Year, you can say, wishing you a prosperous and joy-filled new year. Here's to new beginnings and endless opportunities in 2025. It sounds polished and heartfelt, doesn't it? Now it's your turn. Drop your New Year's resolutions in the comments below. And let me know, how do you wish your friends and family on New Year's Eve in English? Share your creative wishes with our English Guru community. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to English Guru, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any exciting lessons in 2025. Wishing you all a fantastic New Year's Eve and an even better 2025. See you next year with more lessons, more fun, and more success. Take care and keep shining.